welcome back, and this is your Pet Shine in Mix Area. Today on Monday Motivational, we are going to talk about what is stress and how do you handle stress. Now, when we talk about stress, everybody know what is stress. Stress, it means when you do work or when you do something and you feel really pressured, Now that pressure, we define it as stress. A lot of people say stress is actually really bad for us. You shouldn't feel stressed because if you feel stressed, you tend to lose control of your mind, you tend to lose control of yourself, you make bad decisions. Yes, stress feels uncomfortable, but not all uncomfortable feeling is stress. Now, talking about stress, a lot of people will really want to know, how to handle stress and all. Well, today I'll just teach you a small little trick that I've been using for a long time to just handle out my stress. From stress, usually we get anxiety, we get fear, we get depression sometimes, Overstress is definitely not good. But here's the thing, how you can handle stress at the beginning of the level. At the beginning where your stress level starts, you can handle it from there. I'm telling you, if you know how to handle stress from the starting, you can have a good life. This is a simple thing only, okay? Today I'm going to show you like a very simple technique that how you can, release your stress by just changing your mindset. So what is stress? Stress means like I cannot handle my work. I feel too much of pressure. Now that stress changes to worry. Now how about worry? Now for worry, if your stress is like I cannot handle the work, worry will be like, what if I left behind? What if I'm left behind? What if I cannot do well in my exam? What if I cannot do well in my job? Now that's worry. Another thing, stress and worry, they come together. Oftentimes when people worry, I think I am leaving behind, I think I'm left behind, I cannot do well, I don't think I can do well in exam. Now that's worry. It also, if you do worry, if you are being in worry, it will also create stress. Or from stress, it can become worry. The worry is, I think I cannot do well in exam. And then the stress is, I think I can't handle my work. Now, here's the thing. Even if you feel these two things, this anxiety and fear, this is your mindset. This is what changes the whole perspective of you and your stress feeling. Now, if you can see the board, here's the chart. Now, if stress can't handle work, you cannot handle your homework, you cannot handle your schoolwork. Now, then the stress changes to worry. Worry is, what if I fail my exam? What if I fail my exam? Now that is worry. Because you cannot handle your work, so you start worrying. So the stress increases. But let me tell you, if you change your mindset when you're going to these two things, let me teach you how. It's best that you change your mindset when you approach these two things. Oftentimes when you feel stressed and then to worry divides into two. Either it's anxiety or fear. Anxiety is where you think, oh my god, I cannot focus, I feel so scared. What if I fail my exam? I cannot focus, I want to go and sleep, I want to eat. Making excuses and not trying and being nervous about it. Now that's anxiety. Now for the fear and anxiety is different, because anxiety is making you nervous, making you really anxious, making you very nervous. But for fear, it's not like that. For fear, when you fear something, let's say for example you fear a dog, and the first thing you do is you prepare yourself to handle it. Let's just say the dog is approaching you. What will you do? You prepare yourself to handle it. That's the exact same concept here. When you have fear, when you change your worry to fear, you will say, I must do something. If you watch my last Monday video, I have taught you on how to do schedule and stuff. That outcome was because of my fear, because I was in a stress where I couldn't do well, I couldn't handle my college work, and then I got worried. What if I couldn't, pass this semester? So instead of having anxiety, I changed my mindset to have fear instead. Okay, I am scared that I will fail my exam, but here's the thing I can do. I can write timetable. Now, how do you change? Oftentimes, people actually experience anxiety first. They will feel scared. But you are the one who is responsible to change your mindset into fear. I must do something. This is why when stress is high here, the worry is also high. But when you go towards anxiety, you will get too much of pressure because it's high, and high. Too much of pressure. So when you have stress next time, and if you're worrying about something, think about what you can do. That means you're fearing for it. Think about what you can do, and that pressure will automatically decrease. Now, this is the chart that I always show some of my friends. See, stress, worry. Stress and worry, definitely it comes when you couldn't do something. Let's just say, hey, your mom asks you to, do cleaning today, cleaning the house today. And then you feel stressed because you want to do something else. You feel stressed. And then you worry, what if I cannot do my own work finish? If you have anxiety, you'll be thinking, oh my god, I am terrible, I am a very terrible person. That is how anxiety makes you think. But if it's fear, you will think, okay, I will make time, I will do my work as quick as possible and then come and do the cleaning. See, fear often helps you to think positive thoughts. So this is how you handle stress. This is a very minor trick only. It's a very small trick. When you have stress, you goes to worry. This worry, you have to know is with anxiety or fear. You have to focus yourself on the fear and what you can do better. Oftentimes, people say stress is really, really bad. But let me tell you, stress is a very normal emotion in life, because when you have stress, you feel pressured about something and you think more. But remember, the less you fear about stress, you lead a happier life. Pain is unavoidable. That means you cannot avoid pain. But suffering is optional. That means it's up to you. It's your responsibility. It's your mindset that you have to change. Either you want to suffer or not. If you think this video helps a little bit, do comment down below that you want like part 2 or part 3 on how to handle stress, and I'll show you guys more. And that's it I have for you guys today on Monday motivational video, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.